Oy tanano babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? Yako Luis Season ning Wern Pampanga. Ngayon nga dongay ni at kami pasibayo kening guagua. May invite kami po para ipakilala mi yung metong chocolate store. Pero baita, let me tell you 5 facts about chocolates you probably don't know. Ito fun fact number 1. Did you know that it will take 400 cocoa beans before it produce 1 pound of chocolate? Did you know that a farmer must wait 4 to 5 years before a cacao tree would produce its first beans? Did you know that cacao was also used as a currency in the Aztec days? Cool, huh? Well, did you know that a cacao tree can live up to 200 years but will only produce fruits for only 25 years? Well, did you know that a cacao tree is actually a vegetable of its kind? One of its closest family plant is the okra. Ito, pantunan tayo itang magtindang chocolate Kenny. So may invite kami para pakilala miya po kaya kayo. Abayin nyo kami po. Dalan tayo. Wow, loob na ako. Good morning po.
Good morning! Welcome to Kale and Kaylee Chocolate Store.
Yun. So, ma'am, gagawa kami po kasing vlog about chocolates.
Yes.
Pampa-inspire kaya kami kayo vlog. Nano na rin bestseller yun kayo?
Ang bestseller tapo is Renny po. Halos rin ko kunanda is Hershey's Nuggets. Kisses, ang popo Renny kaya katamong fan size.
Okay.
Aside po ka Renny, atin tamong actually, ela po akit pinkilwal, Renny kaya katamong M&M collectible fake. Miyaliwala po. Atin la po miyaliwang kulay. 5 colors la po collectibles.
Wala mo emoji lang, mga emoticons lang. Okay. Guro cho kami pa po, nano la po retang pwede mixalwan kayo.
Dahil ta po variety kay buriyang i-level up in kaya kayo stick atin mo pong cherries.
Wow.
Atin ta rin pong big rolls. Ayan.
Buren, uso lang yun.
Uso lang po, masalila. Malapit na po yung Mother's Day,
Mother's Day,
May
wow.
12. Atin mo pong set, teddy bears, pwede may ibiyak ang mami. Yan. Atin na pong Toblerone, atin na yung kayabeng big rolls and teddy bear.
Kenny po banda ma'am, nano la po rin?
Kenny naman po atin tamong mahilig kayo pong mag snacks. Atin tamong Lays, Cheetos, Ren chips tamo. Ayan, combos. Tapos Kenny po atin tamong Pringles. US la po rin kaya katamong Pringles.
Renny ma'am, siya magkala mo rin?
Renny po very cheap, 130.
130 pesos.
Makanini niya po karagol. And then atin tamo pong picnic. Picnic 9 11, natin niya po itang pinakamaragol is Jumbo.
Wow, okay.
And then natin pong Monchitos, ringaliwa po pag-refill dala. Ating niyang garapon, tapos nung bisa ka mag-refill, magtipid ka kasi mas mura lang.
Balanggat panapon, pwede no rin.
Yes.
Ma'am, maana niya po mix-starting business yun?
Mag-start niyo po in business ko actually, po physical store. Ken po po online since 2014. Inyang 2014 po, RTW ko talaga.
Okay.
And then anyang buktot ko ka na akong bunso, mixed stop po kasi ako makakapagbiyahe maselan. And then after na nita kay ba't kumenga lang, discovery ko rin chocolates na atin palang pisalwana ng mura.
Wow.
Akala ko kanita duty free ka mga.
Wow, totoo.
Ngayon may ka-search ko pong supplier. Karin ko pong mag-start, 2015 na ako may kapag-start.
Wow.
Open kami po for resellers, dahil po kukuha kaya kami. Ringaliwa, pamedang 1 week to pay, 2 weeks to pay. Ngayon, kayo nida po kukunan, cash basis kami.
Okay, speaking of business, ma'am, manano da kayo po kontak?
Para po kontak da kami, hindi po kaya kaming
Address?
Opo, king pong Facebook
da,
po,
okay.
itang second account po. Kale Kaylee Chocolate Store. Tapos kita naman pong page, Kale and Kaylee Chocolate Store. And then, in contact number me po is 0917-777-0711.
Okay, and then in physical location, tamo po
physical location, tamo po is RLN Building, stall number 10. Kenny kami pong second floor. Santa Cristo, Guagua, Pampanga. We are open Monday to Sunday. No day offs.
No day offs. Hanggang tang Sunday, ma'am.
Wagang Sunday ni po, makabukulat siya. Yung pong Monday to Saturday ni is 8:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. And then yung Sunday ni uling sisimba kami po. 9:15 to 6:15.
There you go. Dakala salamat po,
Yes,
ma'am.
thank you po.
Dumurot na ako
Sige po.
nila po rin chocolates yun.
Sige po. Atin tamo pong basket kita, sir.
Okay.
Yes, pick all you can.
Alright, tara. Manyalita na, takmadala rin chocolate daw. This. Pero. Buwi ko rin po itong mag-long drive. Very handy for a quick bite mo yan. Big O yan. Dark chocolate and hazelnut cookies. Sounds interesting. Takuman tayo. Tingnan rin guys. Balang marakas la pero lollipop. I'm sure ba luyo rin lalo na rin ang ating babies. Panay lang makarin na rin kaya katamong anak, di ba? Hindi mo naman palakin. Siyempre, kaya mawala yung original Pringles yan. So, ini-favorite na yung pang-isa yung takmadaya mo. Nerds. Yan. Ampong gummies. Yan. Iisa, yung baby ko. Burin na lang mo rin din. Pati mag-grocery kami. Laging ating makarin. Yung Kenny na ako kuma. Siyempre, alam mo naman mila ko rin Kisses na. Ring Hershey's yan. All-time favorite na rin. So, manintong tamo rin. So this one is milk chocolate almond. Nothing beats the cookies and cream Kisses. Ano? Oreni naman din favorite ko, Reese peanut butter. And then tatawlitan mo ko nun, syempre yung favorite ng Mrs. Cadbury. Yun oh. Wow, I'm sure my wife's gonna love this. Okay, mamayta na. Pamareni po. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ikwata na lang. Let's go! Dakal salamat po kayong pamantabi. If you do like this video, please share it with your friends. Share chocolate and share love. Dakal salamat po. Until our next discovery. Bye!